Hi vlog. Hold on a second, I gotta prop this up. Your girl just got a new camera. I've been creating content since 2018 and I've never used a camera. So if you thought I used a camera before, I did it. No, actually when I first started my YouTube channel, I was using an iPhone 6 to record. But I'm pretty sure I privated all those videos because, you know. And then I got this phone, an X, and I was recording on there. And then I think in my latest videos you may have seen, I recorded on a 12 Pro Max. So if you are a new YouTuber, don't feel the need to get the most expensive camera right away because you honestly don't need it. Yeah, so I treated myself to a real camera. Also, I want to get back into vlogging. I wanted to get back into showing this new chapter of my life. Now that that's all the way, hopefully my first video isn't trash quality because I haven't put the appropriate settings on. We're just gonna wing it to whatever settings that it's on now. If you guys have a Sony ZV-1, please, and I beg, tell me what settings to put on. Yeah, we're giving Synthetica today because I have to go wash my actual wigs. It's Anthony's birthday, so I'm flying to Dublin. There's a lot of things I need to do. So I'll just be vlogging throughout this week. So today is Monday. His surprise birthday is on Saturday. Flight Thursday night. Gotta get a wax on Wednesday. Gotta get the eye appointment on Tuesday, aka tomorrow. And my car decided it wanted to be a part of the to-do list party. So I have to go get my wipers fixed. That is what we're gonna be doing this week. We're just gonna be prepping and priming for my mini vacation, even though I'm gonna be there for 3 weeks. I've done it before and surprisingly we survived together. I didn't rip his head off and he didn't rip mine off. So we going for another 3, boo. Yesenia put me onto this contraption. This is apparently a personal bag. Hopefully Aer Lingus does not give me no problems because I am not trying to spend $175 just to check a bag. This is dope as hell because at the bottom is a shoe compartment. There's also like a part for my laptops. So I'm very excited to use this. Hopefully between this personal bag and this carry-on, I can fit in everything. Here's his birthday gift, one of his birthday gifts. Oh, he's been talking about how much he wanted a Polaroid camera, so I bought him one. They had it on sale for Prime Day, so I think I got it for like $90. And then I got film, which he's gonna have to keep on top of himself. There's only 16 in here, and I think I almost spent $20. Yeah, I don't know if this Polaroid life is for me, but I got it from here. You get it from the rest. I'll link this bag in my Amazon storefront. Apparently this lady said she was able to fit 4 pairs of heels and a whole bunch of clothes. So this trip is kind of different for me because it's not like I'm going to like Paris or New York or Miami where I would like have all these outfits planned and type them all up in my phone because that's what I normally do, have them all divided. But honestly, it's like I'm just changing locations. Like my coworker's like, oh, are you excited for vacation? I'm like, it's not really a vacation. I'm just changing locations to see my boyfriend. But anywho, I need to get ready, go to AutoZone before it starts raining, and then I need to figure out what the hell's wrong with this car. This weather is so damn confusing. It was literally freezing. Oh my God, it feels disgusting. Yesterday it was cold as hell. Like, ew. Pick a side, bitch, pick a side. This stupid ass car, I need to fix it. Please stop. Can you please stop? Y'all, my damn windshield wipers weren't working. So I was like, what is going on? Like, you know, cause I'm a girl, the radio's still working, the car is working. So it wasn't going back down. I was like, maybe it needs to be lubricated. I'm getting upset with the fact that I sound like Respucia behind the camera. Why am I out of breath? I don't even do drugs. Windshield wiper wasn't coming back down. So I was like, you know what? Maybe it needs to be lubricated. I went inside and got vegetable oil. Moral of the story is I have vegetable oil on the side of my car right now. Because I thought it would work and it didn't. Now we're gonna go to AutoZone to figure out what's truly wrong with my car because vegetable oil did not work. Pathetic. Y'all, I'm sick as hell. I'm at Dunkin' Donuts for the slightest inconvenience.
What can I get for you?
Hi, can I have an iced matcha latte?
What size?
Can I have a medium, please?
Okay, and I was supposed to ask you if you want to upsize your drink to get a free donut.
Oh, absolutely.
Okay. What donut do you want?
Can I have a blueberry donut?
Okay.
Ah, you guys have them? Thank God. All right, coming around.
All right.
Absolutely, my fat ass gonna upsize. If I knew that damn bitch, I should have got a small. Hi.
Are you recording?
Yeah.
Are you a YouTuber?
Yeah.
Oh my God, can I say hi?
Yeah.
What's your YouTube channel? I want to follow it.
Okay, I can spell for you. So LAS.
I'm gonna take the TikTok.
Okay, take the TikTok. He's see it?
Yes, I do.
It's me.
I better see myself on there.
You will be. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye. So this is such a sweet interaction, but let me update y'all on the fact that nothing is going to be able to fix my car right now. I'm actually going to have to go to fucking Pep Boys. So I went to AutoZone and they were like, ma'am, we cannot help you. She gave me 2 donuts. Ah! Thank you, girl, because I almost had to add them on social media because I was just like, yo, what are y'all talking about? Y'all don't got no more blueberry donuts. Are you well? Oh my god, I love a blueberry donut from Dunkin' Donuts. They just like, it does not compare. Matcha lattes for the slightest inconvenience of life. Bitch, it's gonna rain in 30 minutes. So let me take my ass home, being that the fact that I can't turn these windshield wipers on. Good morning, vlog. It's very much the next day. Don't try to plan a birthday for a day of Virgo, y'all, because this man has tried to take over control of everything. But yeah, long story short, he woke me up like 8 o'clock in the morning because I told him to, rightfully so. And then he's just like, oh, like, I kind of want to do a kickback with the boys. I'm like, who told you that? Because at this point, did someone tell you? I was like, well, the cat's out of the bag now. He's like, no, like, I don't know anything. The only surprise after that was the damn cake. And I don't view cake as a surprise. But I'm just going to keep cool, keep calm, and move on. I caved in and I just let my dad figure out my car. I was trying to be an independent girl and learn how to do shit myself. I should probably call Pep Boys and say I ain't coming in because $65 just to do an electrical diagnostic is drugs. You just hooking it up to something and tell you something for $65. My dad has been handling all my car things literally my entire driving life. But I was trying to be a big girl. And I can't be, because if I think vegetable oil is a solution for a windshield wiper. I'm not trying to get played and scammed by these car people, because this man tried to tell me it was my transmission that was broken because my windshield wiper won't go off. I don't know much about cars, but that's giving 2 + 2 = 6. So I'm arrived to Vision Works, but of course in my fashion, your girl is late. So hopefully they just bear with me, okay? I was trying to solve a work problem. I need to tell them that I want LASIK because I'm sick of being a 4-eyed queen and it's just like exhausting. Like I need my shit to be normal like everyone else's. If you wake up every day and you see free, I hate you. Good news, your girl, my right eye is better now for the first time ever in my life. Literally every single time I go to the eye doctor, they tell me my eyes are getting worse and worse and worse and worse. I'm just like, who is to blame? Because it can't be me. I'm approved to get LASIK. I'm just so scared. I have trust issues. If you're the reason I go blind, I don't know how, but I'm gonna come back for you. So that's that. Good news, your girl is healing. In Jesus' name, we're gonna put a prayer over my eyes. Food has been retrieved. I'm gonna have to eat in the car because when you live at home, it is a sin to come home and not bring no food for nobody. And I'm sorry, today I already spent money on my damn eyeballs. Okay, I'm cutting costs. The manager that I got into it, the reason why I quit, was in there, but I didn't see his ass. Good, because you're not about to come in between me and my tacos, ho. Yeah, get into the tacos, bro. Where the sauce at? I guess the sauce is at the bottom. I used to live off of this when I was working there. All right, good morning, guys. It is Wednesday. Ooh. Oh, damn, I'm sorry. I just hit his car. Anywho, we are getting our coochies waxed. Oh my God, I haven't had a wax in a very long time. My car is fixed. Thank you, Daddy. Windshield wipers are wiping. Purr. Thank God I made my appointment for 12:15 because I know I wasn't making it for 12. I know she's gonna yell at me because she hasn't seen me in a very long time. Like, and I'm talking months, and I'm gonna be like, girl, life has been lifing and inflation is a bitch. So we're gonna go get waxed at Vanity House. Her wax center is so cute. It's super girly. 5 minutes to spare. Talk to me nice. I don't talk to me at all. I did it. I feel like majority of this vlog I'm in a car, which is really bad. So I need to start shooting some B-roll, I guess. So cute in here. Like, I haven't seen her in forever and she's gonna beat my ass. I have a great explanation. I've been traveling a lot, so I haven't been here.
Aww. Have you shaved since or no?
I did electric shave 2 weeks ago because I went to Miami, but I didn't want to shave everything because I wanted to, because I was literally, I knew I had to come in. So
yes, girl.
I'm only gonna record the first strip because I might drop my damn phone, my damn camera.
I don't know.
It's gonna be worth it. It's gonna be worth it in the end. Y'all seen me go through enough playing. Thank you. Say bye to the vlog. Bye.
Bye, babe. I appreciate it.
Oh my God, your girl feels like a new woman. It's just something about getting your wax. The bus trip is the best. Does that make me a weirdo? I know y'all like the bus trip too. Don't be acting brand new. We're literally just talking about like long distance relationships. I just love talking to people that have been in my type of situation, especially like relationship wise, because like there's a certain point of your life when it's like the girls that get it, and the girls that don't. And you can't talk to the girls that don't get it because you'll feel really discouraged. Start telling Anthony that he needs to start paying for my waxes. It is 5:02. Did y'all update your phones? It looks cool. 5:03 actually. I'm out of here. I'm having serious imposter syndrome today with my job. Ooh, let me take a picture of the stuff I need to buy. So I need to get nose strips. God bless my baby's heart. But I snore like a grown man. I have to go to Sephora, Bath and Body Works, get some candy for my airplane ride, plus Tummy, and maybe TJ Maxx, and maybe Ulta. We'll see. I also packed last night, gift wrapped his gifts up, Amazon packaging paper and titty tape. I will wrap a Rolex up in damn newspaper. Sorry. Are you gonna miss me?
Yeah.
Why can we go that long?
You're gonna be gone for like 3 weeks.
Why are you making crazy
I ain't
faces?
do nothing.
You caught on candid camera.
I didn't do.
I got errands to run. Mom! What's up? Jeez, I wanna get out of here. Hi, babe.
Hey, what's up, bro?
Say hi to the vlog. I was vlogging.
What's up, guys?
Oh my gosh. The day I've had. Waiting for my mom because she likes to complain that I don't feed her. Like, who's the child? Me or you? Hi, Anthony. Where you've been, Anthony? She's been hiding you in the basement.
You should rinse you out so you take care of her today.
You know what? Now the conversation's over.
She's too cheap for me, Anthony.
Oh my God.
She's gonna get me a McDonald's fries.
I would never do you like that.
It's your birthday on Friday. Happy
Saturday.
birthday. My bad. Saturday.
You could literally call me and say happy birthday on Saturday.
How old you gonna be? 20, what, 4 or 5? 25. Okay. What was I doing at 25?
I was like 6 when you were 25.
Ain't that some shit?
Can't relate. Mommy, I don't like your outfit.
I don't need to be on your vlog. I be Dawn's daughter.
You gonna be the ad-libs and the camera holder? Lance is coming.
Lance?
You might be here.
Oh, okay. He ain't here. It's just me and you. Who ain't come and got their money?
You got your money?
No.
You
better go
out
get
the
it.
car.
You gotta maybe go in the house and then you gonna drive off.
I would never do that to you.
I do some shit like that, but I ain't driving.
I've never worked off and left you.
I'm gonna leave my shoes in here.
If I want to murk off with your shoe, they gotta murk off with your shoe. We're getting food, then we're going to Sephora.
Where?
Get out.
Where we getting food at?
Hi. Where are your Sephora powders? Like the collection, the Sephora collection?
For like makeup?
Yes.
It's right.
Let's see if we have her shades. So she wants, let me see something. She wants toffee or mocha. But they only have mocha. But this is toffee. Do you actually remember when I was obsessed with this store?
How can I forget?
I need to find something that's $15.50 so I can maximize on my opportunity here.
That's men.
You should get these. These smell really good.
Maybe you should get them.
$15.50. Perfect. All right, do we want to cleanse our spirits or open our minds? I love aromatherapy. Not this one though. It smells like wet socks.
Cleanse your spirit? That sounds too deep for me.
Guys, the last time you saw my brother, he was super tiny. Now he's doing the absolute most with his 2 chin hairs. Never said hi to the vlog. Hi vlog. Hi vlog.